afternoon, friends. Waiting for the car to warm up, waiting for Steve to go get himself a water because he's gonna steal mine on the drive. I just know it. We're going on a little mini adventure today. Initially, the plan was to go to Cincinnati. We had some fun things planned there, but the weather is not being cooperative for those plans. So instead of the Cincinnati day, which we'll try to have in March, we are going to stay mostly local, semi-local, and we're checking out this weird waterfall that's like just in the middle of Dublin. It's called Hayden Falls. I think I've probably vlogged it before years and years ago. I've never been in the winter, so I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna break myself because I am not a graceful person. And there's Steve with his own water, looking around because he thinks I'm talking to him, but I'm actually talking to the camera. You can come in. I think it's gonna be really beautiful. I don't know if it's gonna be fully frozen. It's pretty cold out, or there will still be water and it'll just be snowy. It's snowing right now again. It just started to snow. We can't do what we had planned to do initially, but I think this will be a good time. We'll check something else off of Steve's Ohio bucket list. We made it, we're here. There's some treacherous looking stairs we have to go down first. So I'm gonna clear those stairs and then I'll start filming again with just luck. I'm not coordinated and I'm holding a tripod. So the stairs of doom have been conquered. Champions!
Oh, it's cool.
Yeah, imagine that. Look how beautiful it is out here though.
You think we can walk on the lake?
No.
It's frozen though.
You go right ahead. Just make sure you give me the keys to the Jeep first, okay? So this water is like partially frozen. So I don't know if we're gonna see a fall or a frozen fall or what's at the end. This will be a surprise. You see how there's people's houses like right up there, love?
Yeah.
Like there's not much room before it's just a total drop off. That's kind of freaky, huh?
Yeah.
I wouldn't like that.
Was a foolish man who built his house upon the sand.
Didn't know I was dating Billy freaking Shakespeare. Nothing? Nothing? Okay.
I don't know. Sounds like it's going, but there's definitely a wall of ice.
We're coming up on the waterfall. I see water moving there. I see movement of water, but I also do see a wall of ice. Is it hybrid? Are we in a hybrid situation?
Ooh,
I'm about to feel like freaking Elsa up in here. I can see it.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Oh my gosh. We're coming up to a place where you guys can see it a little better, but we're almost to the end here. This is stunning. Oh my gosh. This is another welcome to Ohio, Stevie, moment for you.
You know, I love Ohio for the parks. Because out west, parks were just little playgrounds.
Mm-hmm.
And out here, parks are forests.
This is beautiful.
Oh my God.
This is magical. Oh my God. I'm so happy like no one else is around too. So like we get this to ourselves, being greedy with the waterfall. Why have I never done this in the winter before? Look at what I've been missing. Holy cow. What you think, buddy?
I think it looks very pretty. It's magical.
It really is. Okay, there's other people here now. I cannot tell. What, did you write our names?
I wrote, I love Jess.
Oh, that's very nice. Hold on, let me... Steve's okay. You come closer though, don't come far away. Closer, closer, closer. Keep coming, keep coming,
So she
keep coming. Right there. Okay, relax. I'd wear gloves. Guys, I wanna, all right, does this look cool? Did it look cool? Was it worth it? Should we do it in slow-mo? Okay.